and welcome to Connie's Crazy World Beach Walking at Night Edition. Do, 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 do. So, I have been here walking with these cute little birds. Let me go ahead and walk a little and you can watch them with me. Of course, now they've ran up ahead of me. Oh, here we come. They're being shy now. But the pelicans are saying hi. Look at these gorgeous waves. These buildings are pretty amazing too. At Shores Florida. Just loving the nightly walks or the early morning ones in the water. Just beautiful. So thanks for joining Connie's Crazy World as we walk along the beach. See you next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and all that jazz. See you soon. Bye.